Today I'm going to walk you through how I made this leather tote bag with a pocket on the inside. So I'm using this faux leather. You can see the back side is white, and I'm using some polyester remnants on the inside and leather needles. So the first thing I did was sew around the edges of my pocket. I just folded them under twice, and then I attached the pocket to the lining. Then I took my leather piece and I folded it in half and clipped up the sides. I did the same with my lining piece. I folded it in half and pinned up the sides. Then I sewed the sides of both of them. So once that's done, you're going to have a corner and you want to mark equal distance away from the edge so that you get this, and then match up the pieces so you have this triangle piece. And then you're going to sew across that line that's created. Once that's sewn, you can cut off the triangle edge. Now you're going to make the strap, so we're going to fold the edge over and then fold it again to meet, and then clip all the way up. So then you'll have a strap that's clipped all the way up, and then you want to sew down that edge. Then you're going to take your lining and insert it into your outside layer. Then to seal the edge, you're going to fold each piece down and then clip them together. Insert your straps in between the two layers and then sew around. And then your bag is done. Thanks for watching.